So we recently had a pretty good windstorm over the past few days, and which blew a bunch of bamboo leaves into the pool. As you can see what these dark spots are in the bottom of the pool. So I wanted to kind of highlight how much this Aiper pool vac picks up on the one charge. So I'll show you the difference of what it makes, and then also do an update on this robot skimmer bot here. So I'll do a combined video here showing the two and how much it picked up, and then we'll be right back. So I turned it on. So wait for it to kick on before releasing it into the water. Now, up front, I know it's not going to get everything, but it's going to get a lot of it. And I'll come back with the skimmer net to be able to pick up the rest. So I'll go ahead and pull this out and show you what it... I'm going to first turn it off so the propellers aren't going while you do pull it out. Whoa, looks like it's already overflowing. This is the Betta Solar Powered skimmer robot. And as you can see, it's full of leaves already. So this is just from that 2-day high winds that we had. I had it completely cleaned before the storm. So it's obviously overflowing. So this, I've been happy with it. The solar power function allows it to charge up during the day, and it runs through the night as well. And then it starts charging back up on the next day's sunlight. I think when there's no sun, I think it actually runs, I think it's between 20 to 30 hours, if I'm not mistaken. Because there are two different models of this Betta. They have one that does not charge by a port, a plug-in, and they have one that's just strictly solar powered. So if you're in an area that might have more cloudy skies than Florida, then it's probably better to go with this option here with the plug-in to be able to charge it up. But this is just so full. It's amazing. And as you see, it actually picked up this big leaf here, so I think it was actually kind of clogged up just because it was so full. So already it did a good job of picking up this much at least. Otherwise all that would be either floating or on the bottom of the pool. So at least it did its job for this part. But obviously it couldn't keep up in collecting everything. But overall I've been happy with this. I've had this for about a year now. And I did another review video of it as well. All right, so we'll be back and see just how much the pool vac picks up. All right, so I'm back. It's in the later afternoon. I actually forgot that I left it in there. So this is now hours later. And as you can see, it's still breezy. More debris is blown into the pool. But this is the way it is left. I just pulled out the Aiper vacuum, and we'll see how much it actually picked up. And I could tell it was kind of stuffed because there's actually bamboo leaves sticking out of it. See right here, right here. So I do have it loosened up. I didn't look at it yet. So yeah, as you can see, it definitely was full. So I continue to be happy with this Aiper Seagull SE, as well as that Betta Solar Powered skimmer robot. It obviously doesn't catch everything, but I don't really expect it to with the high winds that we were having, and obviously blowing my nemesis of the bamboo leaves. So They have been such a pain. Well, I just want to share with you update reviews on these two items on taking care of the pool. If you happen to see my previous review videos, I'll put them in the description of the original review videos I did for those. And then I just wanted to give you an update here. It's been at least a year later since I've owned both of these. And so you might be wondering if it actually picks up sand or not. And I wanted to show you that it does. As you can see on the bottom, that is sand. I removed the leaves to throw the leaves out and then saw that. So I just want to make sure you know that it actually does pick that up as well. Definitely amazing. And I continue to be impressed with how much it does pick up. All right, so if you found this video useful and helpful, let me know in the comments below, as well as give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more DIY tips, tricks, and reviews, as well as tool deal videos. I really appreciate you watching. I hope you have a great day. Thank you.